ओडिशार आंध्र बैंक रिटायर्ड जो कर्मचारी आज गोटे राज्य स्तरीय सम्मेलन अनुष्ठित होची एवं ये आम संगठन ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन संगठन सहित संश्लिष्ट और आम बर्तमान मुख्य दाबी जो आज सम्मेलन होची परिप्रेक्षी जे बैंक रे कर्मचारी मानकर पेंशन स्कीम 1995 मसीह लागू करा जायतिला एवं 95 मसीह आसी 2025 है दीर्घ 30 वर्ष धरिकी से जो पेंशन जो रेगुलेशन पेंशन जो व्यवस्था तार कौन उन्नतिकरण करा मुख्यतः ये हूँ दाबी एवं जो कि बर्तमान सारा देशर बैंक केवल आंध्र बैंक नुह सारा देशर बैंक कर्मचारी और ऑफिसर जो मैंने रिटायर कर एकदम नगण्य अमाउंट पेंशन हिसाब से पाँच कौन प्रकार वर्धित ये करा जाए नहीं जो कि आज से आंदोलित ये इसी परिप्रेक्षी आज आम सम्मेलन होती आज सम्मेलन रे आमर सर्वभारतीय नेता मैंने आसिक पार्टिसिपेट कर आज पुणी दृढ़ भाव में रिजोल्यूशन करागला जे सरकार को आम दाबी पुनर्बार जनइबू एवं आशा करुचु जे सरकार खूब शीघ्र बैंक कर्मचारी रिटायर्ड बैंक कर्मचारी मान को न्याय देवे।
I am Varanasi Krishnamurthy, President, Andhra Bank Retired Employees Association. We came here to address the meeting of all 6 region members of entire Orissa state. This first of its kind, a historic meeting took place today. The purpose of the meeting is that to make the members be aware of the latest developments that are happening in the pensioners issues in the country. Major 2 issues which are bothering pensioners nowadays is, one is pension updation, the other is health insurance. In pension updation, unlike in state government and central government, in banks pension is not being revised periodically because pensions in the banks are dependent on the pension fund. The maintenance of pension fund as per the requirement of updation is the responsibility of the respective banks. This aspect we have been taking up with bank managements, Government of India as well as Indian Banks Association. Apart from that, we are also requesting the cooperation of all members of parliament and several public people also, and also through media like you, to support us in our effort to ensure pension updation takes place at the earliest. The second problem is that health insurance is a major issue where the insurance premium is increasing year on year. So we have been requesting the government to first remove the GST on the health insurance, and also bank management are requested to reimburse the amount of premium that is being paid by the pensioners at least to a minimum of 3 to 4 lakhs. With these 2 major issues which are bothering the retirees, for that several action programs are formulated. We are affiliated to All India Bank Retirees Federation, which in turn they formed a united forum of bank retiree organizations, and through that we have been organizing dharnas pan India in various states and various cities. We are also giving representations to people's representatives, and we are also requesting media to highlight our problems and help us in creating an atmosphere whereby management and government will help us in the near future. Today's purpose of our meeting to make all our members in entire Orissa state to be aware of all these things. Thank you.